Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to look at Starbucks in Drax, and there is Starbucks straight ahead. And this Starbucks is the only Starbucks in Jamaica that has a drive-through. So let's take a look at the plaza, and then we go around to the front and take a look at Drax, the Starbucks. So this is a new plaza that was recently built. It has KFC, it has Starbucks, it has Pizza Hut. It also has a lot of other stores back here. You have Sakura, which is a restaurant. Now Drax Hall is one of the fastest growing communities in Jamaica. You have hundreds, if not thousands, of homes being built, and so you have the commercial areas being developed now. So this is the KFC. And then you have the Pizza Hut beside it, and then you have Starbucks. And then this is where you have the drive-through exit. Heading back out onto the main road now. So if we were to go straight across up that hill is another development that's being done, residential homes, villas, those kind of things. And up there also you have persons who buy who buy lots, and then they can develop or build whatever they want on the lot. So you don't have this like a scheme homes where all of them look the same, like Richmond estates. You have like 3 designs for each home. In Drax Hall you have communities that are like Richmond, but you also have communities where you can buy the land and then you build what you want on the land. On the left is the construction of a plaza. Tools Hardware will be going over there. So on the right now is another very large development. It's Drax Hall Estates. So we're now entering St. Anne's Bay, and St. Anne's Bay, you see how close St. Anne's Bay is to Drax Hall. So Drax Hall is mainly a residential area. A supermarket is being built there now, Progressive Foods, but that won't be ready for now. And you have a lot of other business places, plazas being built up. But when you're talking about infrastructure now, like tax office, courthouse, banks, those kind of things, that's St. Anne's Bay. St. Anne's Bay is actually the capital of St. Anne. So that's where you have all the infrastructure, and it's literally like a 2-minute drive from Drax Hall. So that's another reason why Drax Hall is doing so well, why it's growing so fast, is because you have St. Anne's Bay 2 minutes away in one direction, and then you have Ocho Rios 5 minutes away in the other direction. And those are two very developed towns. Actually, Ocho Rios should be a city, the way it is so developed. But we'll discuss that in another video. So Drax Hall is ideally located between two very large developed areas.